Hey yo guys, what's good? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Nawfboyrego.
Getting this money on both sides. Back in my hood, I got mob ties. Ain't never playing for both sides. Coming up, no, I'm breaking the dope. Give me the money, I'm all by the moolah. My diamonds dancing, I'm Jason the ruler. Been taking nails, never had me no tutor. I look in the mirror, that nigga been shot at me, and I feel like I be the jeweler. Hey, I was in the trap, sipping on the.
Yo, my people. Yo, what's good? What's happening? What's good? Your boy, Nawfboyrego, not by lifestyle, baby. You know what I'm saying? So today we about to react to drag race, the ROCK RACEWay. You guys know. It's the second time I react to this drag race, you feel me? So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your boy Nawfboyrego, not by lifestyle. Let's get to 500 subs, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. We have sports cars, you know, bro. You know. AMGs, RS, spinning lineup. Yeah, man. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your boy Nawfboyrego, not by lifestyle, baby. Let's get it. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Such a beautiful, nice car. The sounds of these cars though, damn. The sounds of these cars are going crazy. Damn. Look at those mags, look at those mags though. Look at those mags. Who the fuck do this though? Who the fuck do this though? White mags on the van though. Mini, this is like a mini one, bro. Who put like white mags like this though? Such a, this is crazy. Bro, to have such cars though, bro, I feel like it's privilege though. Bro, to have such cars like this though, I'm telling you. Whenever you pull up like something like this, like it's, people are gonna stare at you though. People are gonna stare at you no matter what though. I'm telling you. These cars are so amazing. And that white Porsche, it has a speed though. That white Porsche. What? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. This is really insane. Damn. Yo, I thought for a minute there, I thought Audi was gonna pull up first, but then, you know, Porsche got a lot of speed, bro. Porsche has a lot of speed, though. Nah, bro. The hell, bro. Yeah, any car can go with a like any type of car though. Doesn't matter you got an Audi, Benz, you got BMW, bro. We got I forgot 1400, like whatever, bro. Whatever car you come with it, you gonna race any car, bro. That's what I like about drag racing. That's what I like. Is it that difficult to spin a car though? Y'all let me know down in the comments. Comment down below if you think drifting a car it's difficult though. Is it difficult? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments down. Two black members though.
Anybody want to take some forth with that?
This is like an all-white party though. You know when you go to like an all-white party, this is how you pull up though. This is how you pull up. This is how you pull up to a all-white party, chat. At the same time though. Oh, what happened there? When the green light goes on the other side, which it means that their one was the first one, and then on the red light it means the other one lost. You feel me?
Are you giving him yes time, Fred? Oh, I was just about to say. Versus the one and only flight line.
No, bro, there's no way. No, bro, there's no way. With a scooter, I still remember last time there was a car and a bike in a race.